we're back with another video, and today I am going to be showing you how to make fuzzy slime. So let's get right into the video. So first you're going to have to get one bottle of white school glue from Almonds, and you need a bowl for this. And then just add as much as you want. And after that, gonna add your baking soda or color first, but I'm not gonna add any color just because I want to show you how to mix this first. And then mix this baking soda inside of the glue, and after that you'll get your shaving cream. I have barbazo, I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. And then you're gonna have to add your shaving cream. Yep. Your shaving cream into your glue. As you can see, it changed the texture of the glue. And then you'll get your eye contact solution. You could also use Tide or Stuff Flow for this, but I don't have that, so yeah. As you can see, it's forming. Let me just, yeah, like that. And yeah, I'll put you down and I'll show you when it is done mixing and when I start playing with it. So yeah, you could skip this part if you want, because it's gonna be just completely black. So yeah, bye for now. So now I'm just mixing, and it's forming, but not that much, because you need your ice water solution and mix firmly. It's starting to form, actually. So yeah. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and I will answer them if you have any questions. So yeah. It's coming together now, guys. I'm almost finished. Yes! It is going to be a bit sticky at first. Oh, I got it on me already. Okay, guys, so so here's my slime. It is a bit sticky. Okay, this guy. Okay. So it is sticky, as you can see. I'm sorry if I'm too quiet. I'm trying to work on that, but this is how my slime is. Oh yeah, fun fact, this account used to be my brother's, but I changed the name to AG Productive Studios. And there used to be some YouTube videos, I think, on this. I think there is still some YouTube videos. I don't know. But there is one that has Niagara Falls on it, so definitely go check out that video. You can count on me. So, my slime, you can count on me. It's very, very sticky, but I'm working on that. So if your slime is sticky, you just play with it for a few minutes until it doesn't stick to your skin anymore. So yeah, see? It's still a bit sticky, but it's less, it doesn't stick that much as it did before. So here my slime is. I'm sorry, this is such a horrible video. You can count on me. It makes really good clicking sounds. It is very stretchy. Whoa, look at that. And you might be wondering, what am I wearing? Well, I just now came home from shopping for summer supplies, and I am wearing my onesie. And if you don't know what a onesie is, it's a one-piece pajama, and it has like a hat attached to it, like a hoodie. And this is a unicorn one. I got it from Target from Cat and Jack, so definitely go check it out. They have a lot of different styles. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and bye.